In this power electronics kit, this is AC voltage regulator trainer kit. Here two SCRs are used, T1 and T2. Now we have connected to the input side of to the DSO. This is a sine wave as an input and controlled output. The input side is 14.6 volt AC and output is 12.3 volt AC. Actually it is not AC, it's a square wave. I will connect it to the variable output is a square wave. Now we'll remove one by one connection. A DSO connected to the output side, two terminals of output. Then this firing angle control connected to the firing angle control. And this G1 terminal connected to the G1 here. G2 connected to the G2. Then I connected this to the voltmeter. L1 connected to the L1 here, L1 connected to the L1 here. L2 is connected to the L2 printed on screen. This single phase AC connected to the 230 volt here, and here is a no connection, that's why a link is connected here.